Good morning, friends. How are you all? So today we are going to take the testing reviews. Reviews in the means verification and validation requirements. So testing reviews. There are three types of testing reviews: informal or peer review, semi-formal or walkthrough review, and formal or inspection review. We will see one by one now. Informal or peer review. This is a lightweight unstructured review process in which colleagues or team members evaluate a work product such as code, documentation, or risk designs to identify potential issues, improve quality, and ensure alignment with standards. Benefits of this informal or peer review are early defect detection, catches issues before they propagate to later stages. Cost effective, saves times and money compared to fixing errors post release. Knowledge sharing, promotes understanding of the project across the team. Team collaboration, encourages open communication and trust. Now, example scenarios are code peer review. A developer submits their code for review to a version control system like Git. Git. Colleagues comment on coding standards, logic, or optimizations. The author updates the code based on the feedback. Document review. A technical writer shares a user guide draft. Team members provide suggestions to improve clarity and consistency. The writer revises the document accordingly. So this is the example of peer review. Now coming to second thing, semi-informal, semi-formal walkthrough review. Semi-formal review, commonly referred as walkthrough, is a structured yet flexible review process in which a team reviews a work product, example code, design, documentation, by having the author explain its content step by step. The focus is on understanding, identifying defects, and gaining agreement on the quality of the work product. What are the benefits? Early defect detection identifies issues before significant development or deployment. Improved understanding helps team members understand the design or logic, promoting collaboration. Educational junior team members can learn from the discussion and feedback process. Flexibility less rigid than formal inspections, allowing for open discussions. Now, the example scenario is code walkthrough example is the author develops a function to calculate a discount based on purchase amount. During the walkthrough, the author explains the algorithm and logic. Reviewers ask questions and identify edge cases that were overlooked. Then feedback includes simplifying a loop and handling negative values. So this is the example for walkthrough. Coming to third one, formal or inspection review. Formal review, also known as inspection review, is a structured and rigorous review process used to examine a work product such as code, design, and documentation for defects, compliance with standards, and quality assurance. It follows a well defined procedure with specific roles, responsibilities, and outcomes. This method is one of the most systematic ways to ensure the quality of deliverables. The benefits are improved quality, ensures the highest standard of deliverables by identifying defects early. Structured process provides a repeatable and measurable approach to quality assurance. Defect prevention encourages better practices and reduced error rates in future projects. Team collaboration brings different perspectives to the review process. This is the formal inspection. Now, the example scenario is work product, a module of code for user authentication. Now, planning steps are planning. The moderator organizes a organizes a review with developers, testers, and a project manager. Preparation. Reviewers use a checklist to evaluate code structure, logic, and adherence to security standards. Review meeting. Reviewers discuss issues such as unhandling edge cases or non-compliance with password complexity requirements. Rework. The author corrects the identified issues. Follow-up. The moderator ensures all changes are complete and documented. So this is the reviews of the testing. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification. Thank you.